Hi, welcome to the IEEE student chapter here at Cal Poly Pomona. My name is Adrian and I'll be the president for the 2021 term. Here at IEEE, we focus on the technical, individual, and professional development of student engineers. As president, I represent the student chapter and am the main point of contact outside of Cal Poly Pomona. I also ensure that the student chapter is in compliance with all the standards set by the Office of Student Life and Cultural Centers, also known as OSLCC. Now that you know a little bit more about what I do, I'd like to introduce you to the rest of my team. And I've got just the idea. We're going to use this little guy.
Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Chen and I serve as the Vice President for IEEE. Some of my responsibilities include assisting the President and Programs Chair in planning out all the amazing events that we have in store for all you amazing members. On top of that, I am in charge of the social media accounts including Instagram and Facebook. So if you ever have any questions about trying to access some of our links or even having basic questions on some of the posts that we have, feel free to contact me through my email listed in the website. If not, you could easily just slide into the DMs and I'll be most likely the one answering you. So off to my colleague, Sophia Lee.
Hi everyone, my name is Sophia Lee. I will be serving as your secretary this semester. I will be in charge of sending out emails, newsletters, and also membership fees. So if you guys have any questions under those categories, please feel free to email me. Now on to my next colleague, Karina.
Hey everyone, my name's Karina. I'll be serving as the 2020 to 2021 treasurer. I'll be in charge of the club budget, handling club funds. So feel free to reach out to me perhaps regarding fundraiser ideas or concerns. On to my next colleague.
Hi guys, my name is Rini. I'm the 2020-21 program chair. I'm in charge of planning club events, so if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, or if you have any ideas about the future events, I would love to hear them.
Hey guys, my name's Christine. I'm the project manager here at IEEE. I help host lots of different workshops such as soldering tutorials, PSpice, MATLAB, all that good stuff. We also have semesterly projects that anybody can take part in regardless of their experience. If you're interested in any of these kinds of things, you can go ahead and contact me for that. Now, on to Jovial, our industry rep.
Hi, my name is Jovial Maranzan, and I'm serving as our 2020 and 2021 term industry representative. My main role is to get in touch with the industry professionals and to bring in guest speakers. Yeah, if you guys have any questions about the industry or the workforce itself, please don't hesitate to ask. Already?
Okay then. Well, we hope you got a glance as to who we are, and we look forward to interacting with everyone throughout this semester. We understand that things can be a bit complicated right now as we endure through this pandemic, and it is because of that all of our events will be hosted through an online medium. We thank you for your understanding. We are currently hosting an IEEE Welcome Week, where every day of the week we'll have a different event. On Tuesday, we will be bringing in an industry representative to come in and talk about their industry. On Wednesday, we will be having an officer meet and greet, where you get to come in and talk with me and the rest of the team. On Thursday, we will be having a project/workshop seminar, where we will be detailing all of the workshops that we'll be having throughout the semester. And finally, on Friday, we'll be having an online game night. Visit us on our Discord, where we'll be playing games and talking with the rest of the members. Stay safe out there. And if you absolutely must go outside, please cover your nose and mouth with a mask and maintain a 6-foot distance between others. Also make sure to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds with warm water and soap. If you would like to stay notified, you can follow our social media at IEEE CPP. You can also visit our website at IEEECPP.org. We also have a Discord server. The link will be in the description below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you're updated whenever we upload a new meeting, workshop, or guest video. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again.